Shop Talk. We're looking at Mike's MS201T. It had some run issues. He wanted to send it to me to get those issues taken care of. Then he wanted to turn it into a test chainsaw, West Coast build, not to be used for any type of wood cutting. And I did some porting on it. It will be disabled at the end of the video, but you can see the exhaust has been tuned. Just a very good running chainsaw. Let me fire it up and let you listen to it. We'll go outside and make a few cuts with it. And now we're going to make a few cuts with Mike's chainsaw. That's a hard Doug fir, dried Doug fir, and we'll make a few cuts. Got that Sylvia razor ground chain. I want to get a close-up shot. You should be pulling chips, not powder, with these chainsaws. See the nice sized chips there. If you got any questions on these chainsaws, give the chainsaw guy a call.